Hi guys, my name is Amaka. Welcome to my room. I'm a student and I'm super excited to give you a tour in my student room. Okay, so yeah, this is my bed. This is where I sleep and rest after school days work. And yeah, this is my laptop. I do all my projects, assignments, case studies, everything here. And sometimes I watch movies just to keep myself entertained. So yeah. So yeah, this is my portable student rack. This is where I keep my cosmetics, body spray, skincare, can last look good. So yeah, this is my table. This is my reading table. Yeah, and I have limited space, so I have to keep some things on my table. This is my kit. I'm a medical student. I'm a nursing student. Yeah, so these are my kits. Face masks and gloves for protection. So yeah, whenever I want to read, I read a lot because I'm a nursing student, right? And I have a lot of exams to write. Whenever I want to read, I take out my bed and then use my table. I have a very limited space, so I'll take out my table here and then have my chair and I'll read as long as I want and then set it back up again after I'm done. Okay, so yeah, there are times when you want to decorate your room. If you don't have money to paint, you could actually use a wallpaper. This is a wallpaper. It doesn't look like a wallpaper, right? It's a wallpaper and it's really affordable. And then if you have little money, you can just get touch of art to make your room look nice. And you have a roommate and she's a cook and she got an award. Wallpaper cuisine. So yeah, this is a curtain. Of course, you all know that this is a curtain. So then I think curtain gives this touch of beauty to a room. You should get a curtain for your room, and there are so many types and colors and quality, depends on your money. This is quite affordable. I think you can get it or even less if you don't have so much money. It gives beauty to the room. You should get a curtain. Okay, so this is my wardrobe. It has compartments. I have things inside. Yeah, and then I put my clothes here and then I have some other things I put here. So this is the kitchen. This is where I cook and I have a roommate, she cooks too. This is where we cook. This is where I have my fridge, I have my gas, the sink. I think sink comes with every kitchen in a lodge. And then this is where I have my compartment. I keep my plates, blender and some other things I need for cooking. I have a roommate, she's a chef. She cooks a lot, very nice dishes. She does the cooking and I do the eating. This is where she creates the magic, Wallpaper cuisine. This is the bathroom, my laundry room, my toilet, everything all in one. This is where I do my laundry. I have a machine here. I have my bath here and I brush my teeth here.